Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Unnati. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check my all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, so welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. You aren't ready for this. After gathering lots and lots of courage, I decided to film 25 wearable winter outfits for you. I've tried to keep in like an outfit for everyone for multiple occasions, from casual to party to glam to work from home. And all of these outfits I've built from my existing pieces in my wardrobe. That was my main aim. So many times even I don't dig deep into my wardrobe and just wear the newer stuff or the stuff that's ooper, but I thought that why not do this challenge. Hopefully all of you find some kind of inspiration to dig deep around your wardrobe too, because this is going to be a long one. I think let's straight up get into the outfits.
Okay, let's get started. The first outfit with a bang. Actually, I really like this. So you have this like simple sweater, but it has these really nice puff sleeves, and I pair these with this floral boots I have, and they are one of my absolute favorites. Then you have this really nice metallic owl bag just to glam it up a little bit, and similarly with the necklace, adding like a really nice glam touch to the entire look. Moving on, oh my god, this is so pretty. I feel like it turned out really nice. So simple plazo pants, but they have a pearl belt, and to just coordinate, I added like a pearl clip in my hair as well. And I've paired a simple inside black t-shirt with a black lead shrug and some nudes. So this is like a really nice comfortable option where you can just layer your basics, your neutrals. Okay, I am feeling this third outfit. It's a vibe for sure. So I've basically paired all of my graphic elements together. My jeans here have a little bit of text on them. The jacket has text piche. It's really nice, very nicely loosely fit, and I combined it all together with these boots. As you can see, like I am loving myself in this outfit, absolutely. And the t-shirt inside, I just tied a little knot, and this is a really nice go-to day option. Okay, this is giving me like boss lady, but like night out type vibes, like it's a dinner meeting vibes. This outfit would keep you really cozy because inside you can wear like so many layers, and then just add a really nice blazer with some neutral boots. This would have been my New Year's Eve, outfit if we were having a party and if it was not 2020. But I love this simple dress, and the best part is that it's very thick, and inside you can even wear a thermal and leggings and no one will know. Another fun way to really pair up cozy winter dresses is like this. I've just added a denim jacket, that's my go-to, with these thigh-high boots. And again, you can wear slacks in them if it gets cold. So this was one of my favorite outfits like last winter. I love this bodysuit. It's so comfortable. And for the cold, I'm going with the theme and matching the entire outfit with this tan jacket. So this is totally my vibe. Black, grays, and just amplify your daily jean casual look. The thigh-high boots, the bag just completely amplifies the look, and turtlenecks are here to stay. So this is like my interpretation of that. Okay, this outfit officially turned out to be on my top favorite list. It's giving me like, a ski suit vibes. So the slacks are very tight, well fitted, and a short cropped but very fluffy sweatshirt is just like, I'm in love with this look. Now this dress I have worn on so many occasions. It's a full length maxi dress, and I always just turn up the accessories, change it up here and there, and if you feel cold then you can layer this dress up even more. So it's such a nice, like this is that perfect winter dress. Okay, as you can clearly see, I'm having lots of fun in this outfit. It's very out of my style, but I know like a lot of people have this kind of aesthetic. So you can pair a turtleneck with a nice strappy dress and some fishnet and boots. Honestly, this is a very realistic outfit. Some comfy sneakers, a very comfy track pant, and a very fluffy soft sweater with a really nice beanie. Like ये बहुत practical outfit है, to be very honest, and it's one of my go-tos, like especially for college. Like this used to be my favorite combo. And oh my god, from college vibes we've transformed to this look. So I think या तो मैं न्यूट्रल हूँ इस विंटर सीजन, और आई एम लविंग दिस येलो एंड ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर माई कलरफुल लुक्स. So this is a really nice formal option, and you know, with those stripy boots you've just added that extra layer of fashion. और ये हो गया मेरा not going to the gym but if I would then outfit. So it's very graphic-y, like the neon orange hoodie I really love. And yes, I was having too much fun. Even the bomber jacket, so it's a light bomber jacket, which is a really fun option. Okay, moving on. It looks so good. Yes, look at me failing, not able to find the pocket. But yeah, this is the look that turned out. I basically had this fancy lace jumpsuit, and just to, you know, उसको थोड़ा subtle करने के लिए I added this waterfall black jacket and, you know, simple black bag. Next up, again a very simple outfit. Thigh-high boots you have seen in the past, jeans, my favorite black turtleneck, and just to layer it up I've added this big fluffy teddy coat and, you know, some gold accessories, bracelet, rings. Similarly on those lines of black, now here to break up that I've used these tan pants which I love, and a mesh blouse that I wear a lot in summer. Like I've coordinated the mesh with the mesh in the heels here. This is my version of denim on denim, just to, you know, amplify things a little bit. I've added a nice blush pink comfy chunky sweater and these really nice checkered boots, which I'm clearly loving. Okay, now again very realistic option, all black comfy slacks, comfy denim jacket, and, you know, just a statement quirky in like logo. I'm like, clearly I'm feeling myself in this, and we transformed to a very chic outfit. So yes, I realized that मेरी बीनी पे एक ही पॉम है, 2 होने चाहिए थे, but we'll ignore that. So this is a really nice, again, turtleneck cozy dress that I have, and I've just shown you a different option of how you can style midi dresses if it's not like a maxi dress. Now in this one I've mixed up a lot of materials. So the hoodie dress is all velvet, beach mein I've added a hint of fishnet stockings, and, you know, my velvet thigh-high boots with the teddy coat. So velvet guy, it's like different versions have just come together in this. Now this outfit is, you know, giving me very casual vintagey 80 vibe. So flared pants, you know, very chilled out with a white blouse, which most of you must be having. And just to complement that brown, I've chosen a matching cape sweater and like a hint of gold with those earrings. अब ये तुमको पता है थोड़ा फैंसी हो गया, but this is a really nice like home party kind of outfit. So jeans are making it casual, the mesh top is making it fancy, and with this over the top fur jacket जो मुझे पूरे साल नहीं पहनने को मिली है, I thought इसको यहीं डाल देते हैं. I've, you know, paired it. So you're confused कि ये glam है या फिर ये casual है. As I said, I'm loving pairing blue and yellow, and all of us will have black slacks and like a cropped sweatshirt with your favorite pairs of sneakers. The main thing here is that just because the leggings were high-waisted, I've chosen like a shorter cropped kind of sweater and denim jacket to the rescue. For the last but definitely not the least outfit, this is like your normal cotton dress. So you can either directly pair it with like your leather jacket and thigh-high boots, or if it gets cold, if you're in the north, then, you know, I just layered a sweater on top of this. And now we will be pairing the leather jacket. So I really like this look. To add a touch more of accessories in this grey theme, I've added a similar colored bag.
Oh my god, I am exhausted right now. Like, I'll be honest, I had initially planned to do 50 outfits you can wear, but this was so tiring. Last outfit I filmed and I am dead right now. Hopefully if you like it, then maybe next time I can do like a 50 outfit challenge. That'll be a tough one, but indeed an interesting one. So do let me know how you like this video. Comment down below your favorite outfit or which one are you going to recreate. And yes, please like this video. Trust me, filming this was I think it was my most exhausting video ever. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, any other ideas, thoughts, suggestions, comments, feedback you may have, please also drop that down below in the comments box. And I shall see you on Sunday with a special Sunday video.